Am I looking at you or the camera?
At me.
Most shops have payments, invoicing, scheduling, and texting all in separate apps. All that money and zero of it built for what we do. So I stopped waiting for someone to build it, and I built it.